Hi everybody. I had told you that I was going to give you some websites for free cross stitch patterns, so I just went through mine and I'm going to show you what I got. So really all you have to do is go to Google and put in the search bar free primitive cross stitch patterns or just free cross stitch patterns, and you will come up with a ton of them, especially if you click on the images tab. So the first one I'm going to show you is from a blog, and I've had these for years. It's ourpioneerhomestead.blogspot.com, and these are from 2012. When I went to this website, this blog does not exist anymore. That's what it said. But these still show up on images. Let me see. I have something else behind it on the back. These still show up if you look on the images for free primitive cross stitch patterns. So you can find those there just by Googling. This again, two more. There's no color guide for what threads to use. Now, the primitive hare, which is H-A-R-E, like a rabbit, I found this for a pin cushion, and it does have the chart and the colors listed up here. Now, on the primitive hare, where you see the freebies, you go to their website and you're going to type in freebies and find them. At the bottom, because thinking it was a blog, and at the bottom of that, it'll say in real small lettering, older posts. And you want to click on that because that is going to show you even more. So here is another one that I found from the primitive hare. I really like that one. I think that's going to be easy for me to do. And there's the chart. These are free, so it's okay to show you. And this is theprimitivehare.com, and that's H-A-R-E. So that was from 2011, and this one I'm not sure about the pin cushion. I think that's newer. This one I just showed in my last video. I don't know if that messed up. I had a phone call. This one I just showed in my last video. That's the one I was doing that I was testing that product out with, and that's that one. And that is Pineberry Lane 2011. And I did not look up the website for that, but if you look up Pineberry Lane and then search freebies or something, then maybe it'll be there. This one is Little House Needleworks, and it also shows the chart and the colors. Colors are on the front here. And this is from November 30th, 2013. But you go to littlehouseneedleworks.blogspot.com and look for the freebies. And usually on a blog, up in the top left corner, there's a little search box and it says Google next to it. If you type in freebie or the word free and then hit search, it should search that blog and show you anything that has that keyword in it. This one is, I have to spell it, WHILSTIRISNAPS. So you can see it right here. And the website is allthattogether.com. So this is a drum that I found for free. And this has, it's called All Is Calm. It has the colors here. It's from 2020, free chart. It's got the chart. And this is a drum, so it's in sections. So that is WHILSTIRISNAPS.com. And I will try to remember to put all of these links down in the description box. This one is Hello from Liz Matthews, and this is 2020, and that's a free chart from her. So that would be hellofromlizmatthews.com, which is right there. And this whole pile is Notforgotten Farm. She has a ton. So if you go to, let me find the first page. And I was basically looking for primitive ones. This is the, oh gosh, I wrote it down somewhere. It's Notforgotten Farm Blogspot. And I'll look for that in just a second, but there's no, I don't think there's any like instructions. There's just, I'll tell you in a minute if there is, but I'm just going to show these to you. Here, she's got a lot. And don't forget, when you go to these websites, they're giving you these as freebies, but you also want to support them and buy their patterns that aren't freebies. And that, you know, let them know you found them through their freebie, and maybe that would encourage them to give out more because it gets people there. These are all Notforgotten Farm. So this snowman is a 2013 Christmas freebie from Notforgotten Farm. I know I can do that one. I'm not sure about the leaves, but I know I can do the snowman. And this one came out really small. It's 2015. Maybe I had my settings different, but that one, it does give you the colors below it. Mine just printed out really small. I think I had my settings off because you can see it's not printing a full page. And love this one. There's another one. That would be good for a pin cushion. And here. And then if you look over here, it looks like there's one of the patterns that she sells. I love that one. And then here's two more. So she has a lot. They are, again, on her blog, not on her website. Let me get that information for you just a minute. Okay, this is the website for that. I know I had written it down somewhere. So that's where you want to look that up at. You can enlarge these or reduce them, I'm sure, to whatever size you need. And hopefully this will get you stitching. And again, do support these artists and buy some of their patterns. Don't just do the freebies. And I will see you on the next video. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up. It really helps my channel. And leave me a comment. Let me know if you know of any more places that do free patterns. There were some from the Fat Quarter Shop also. When I searched for free cross-stitch patterns, they had a whole page. They were not real primitive at all. They were more cutesy. So I didn't print those out. But there's just a ton out there if you don't have money to buy patterns and you really want to stitch. So happy stitching, everybody. Leave me a comment. Let me know where you find your patterns at, what's your favorite designer, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.